Welcome to another Microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we are going to code a really simple dice that you can use for all sorts of things. You could use it in maths, you could use it to play a game, and it is a dice that just shows the numbers between 1 and 6, so your standard 6-sided dice, that's what you have on a dice. And it's showing a random number, so we're going to create code that allows us to do this. Now this is using the accelerometer. You'll find the accelerometer in this tiny little component on the back of here, and it's the same thing that makes your phone know which way up the screen is if you rotate the screen on a phone. So it's a really useful component for our microbit. So let's get coding. So to create our dice, I need to go onto the MakeCode website, and I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call it dice. And it's really quite simple for this one. First of all, I'm going to drag away on start and forever, just into the middle. And I'm going to go into input and I'm going to choose on shake. So shake is using that accelerometer. And I want it to do two things when we shake. So first, I'm going to have it show number. Now, if I shake it to begin with now, or maybe press shake here, it's just going to show 0. So that's because there's only a 0 in here. So I need it to generate a number. So I need to go into math, or in Scotland we would call that maths, and I'm going to choose pick random. So a dice usually starts, a normal 6-sided dice usually starts on 1 and ends on 6. So now, if I shake, it's going to do a different number each time. And you notice rather than shaking the microbit, there's a little button, but if you've got the physical microbit, you shake. So that is your dice. Now, you could change up this number if you wanted to have a dice with more sides, which you do get those physical dice. So decide what you want it to do. But that is our simple dice. I hope you enjoy creating this project, and I hope to see you again very soon.